morning students. In this video we'll learn preposition. What is the meaning of preposition? Preposition is a word that shows the relation between a word and noun or noun phrase or pronoun that follows it. See this example. He ran like the wind. He is the writer of this play. I am glad for her, like or for. These are the preposition. In first example, the wind, relation with noun, of this play, noun phrase, for her, relation of the preposition with pronoun. Uses of preposition. Preposition denotes a variety of relationship. The temple is near the river. Near shows location or place. The boy went to the market to, showing place or direction. The bird is in the nest. In shows position or place. The film starts at 6 o'clock. At shows time. He is one of my son. Of shows belonging. Paste the stamp with gum. With shows agent. The story is written by him. By shows authorship. These are some of the example of preposition: with, at, from, into, during, including, until, against, among, throughout, despite, towards. What you need to do, you should search the meaning of these preposition from the dictionary, make the list of it, and try to understand the exact meaning of the prepositions. We'll see the example of preposition of place, at and in, for with some of the example. At 7 a.m., at 12 o'clock, at 5 p.m., at noon, at midnight, at night, at midnight, at bedtime, at the same time, at dinner, at that time, at dawn, at Christmas, at the weekend, at present, at the moment. Now see, here we have used at night, at noon, but if I am talking about morning, in the morning, in January, in spring, in 1980, in 1960s, in the north, in the west, in the 21st century, in the Easter holiday, in the past, in future, in a week, in a few minutes, in an hour, in the ice age, on Monday, on 1st January, on 2013, on April 3rd, on 10th, on the first day, on my birthday, on holiday, on my wedding, on that day, on a summer evening, on a new year day, on weekday, on summer morning. Now try to understand where we are using between and among. Between, when we are speaking of two person or things, two person or things here and there, exact numbers are given to the left and right. So see this example, the apple is between the cake, one cake is this side, one cake is that side, and apple is between the cakes. Among, I cannot give you the exact number when we relate an indefinite number of people or object. See, my house is among the trees. Now let's understand few prepositions with the help of the picture. You can create your own sentences also. Now we are talking about joker. Joker is behind the ball, joker is in front of the ball, joker is above the ball, joker is under the table, joker is next to the drum, the joker is on the drum, joker is between the plants, joker is in the box, joker is near the chair. The relation with these objects. Now since and for. Since denotes a starting point of time, whereas for denotes a stretch of time. I have been teaching since 1994, exact time I have given to you, and I have been teaching for 26 years. Here I have given you the span for how long I am teaching, for 26 years. Now see this example. Under, बिना छुए नीचे अगर बोलना है, आई एम सिटिंग अंडर द ट्री, तो हम अंडर का यूज़ करेंगे. बिनित और अंडरनीथ, इसका भी मतलब होता है नीचे, लेकिन छूते हुए नीचे. आई हैव स्टक 10 रुपीज़ नोट अंडरनीथ द पिलो. ऐसा मैं बोलूँ तो 10 रुपये की नोट पिलो के नीचे, मतलब पिलो को छूते हुए रखी गई है। ऑन, टचिंग ऑब्जेक्ट हो तो ऑन, ऊपर की दिशा में क्रिया हो रही है तो अप, और बिना छुए ऊपर है तो अबव ओवर। उसी तरीके से नीचे छूते हुए नीचे बिनिथ, बिना छुए नीचे बिलो और अंडर, और नीचे की दिशा में क्रिया हो रही है तो डाउन। Now this is worksheet for you. See the picture and try to get the answer from the given answer key. Dear students, preposition you need to find the exact meanings from dictionary. You need to practice from many worksheets. You need to underline whenever you are reading. And in this way, practice makes you perfect student. So keep practicing. करत करत अभ्यास के जड़मति होत सुजान. Wish you all the best. Keep watching the videos. Goodbye.